Godrej Vending presents India's first fresh brew tea machine. The innovative tea brewer has been developed in The 5 containers of the machine are filled with packaged tea leaves, sugar, and whiteners. The machine has the option of a fresh milk attachment that pours hot milk in the cup. On the press of a button, tea leaves are dropped in the tea brewer. The ingenious brewing process starts by sprinkling hot water on the tea leaves to soak them briefly. This induces the release of a